Today we are off to investigate an abandoned farm. Our mode of transport is this John Deere Gator. This place was abandoned a while ago, for reasons that are still unknown. Here we are. This place gives me the creeps. So many things just left here, untouched and rotting away. Seeing what is left and knowing what once was gives me an uneasy feeling. We decided to go past the farm and look at all the land behind it. It is a huge property, but we could have never prepared ourselves for what we found next.
Oh my.
This looked like something out of a movie. Like something or someone went on a massacre or killing spree. These poor birds' bodies were everywhere, torn apart. Even in the freezing temperatures, the smell was unbearable. This is where things started to get weird. We started finding bones that were definitely not from the birds. We decided to keep moving forward. But nothing could have prepared us for what we found next. We came across another batch of dead birds, strewn about in the brush, all of them looking like they met the same horrible fate. Again, we saw more bones that were bigger, and I saw an opening in the trees that looked to have something in it. It was more bones. What could this huge one have come from? Then we found what looked to be part of a skull of some big animal. We found more weird-looking bones, and decided we saw enough for today. We decided to turn back. Going back, I spotted this. I thought it was a case of some sort, but it just ended up being a car battery. I tried getting it out, but it was frozen in the ground. We were looking at all the fields stripped of their crops when we spotted this lonely single cob of corn. I don't know. Something about this dash of color in the sea of gray abandoned space is quite sad. We saw this shack, which looked to be an old dog house. Turns out it was a shed. Inside it looked like some animal was stockpiling a bunch of little balls or something. Well, that was a crazy adventure. We found some crazy things. Please let us know what you think or know that happened to those birds, and what animal those big bones belong to. Please help us get to our goal of 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.